What's up, guys? This is my training journal, and last night or yesterday I trained legs and trapezius, or I call them just traps. In the first exercise I did squats. I do like 50 kilos or about 120 pounds, you can say, for 8 times first set, and then 8 and 6. I always start like that, and really drain the muscles. And the rest was leg presses in the machine, where I gain weight, at least 25 pounds, I think. And it was the hack lift or squats in the machine, and I gained weight, or I can do more repetition. And then it was leg kick, I think, or I don't know what it's called in English. And that's where I like did hard too. And the other exercises worked well. And in my calves, I've done a lot more now, so that's nice. I do all the weights on the machine, and I add 15 pounds or 15 pounds or 5 kilo in Swedish. And on the traps I do like 70 kilos. It's about 150 pounds, I think, for about 10, 8 and 6 times. And on the last one I did shoulder rolling to just hit the trapezius more, and there I went like for 31 kilos, maybe 65 pounds or something. And after those two exercises, my arms feels like flying. So it's going well with my training, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.